Have you heard about the technology that creates invisible fences for your farm animals? Well, it's real and it's called virtual fencing. This smart tech uses GPS collars and mobile apps to keep livestock within set boundaries without needing a single wire or wooden post. When an animal approaches the invisible fence, the collar gives a warning sound or a gentle vibration, teaching them to stay within safe zones. Farmers can now change grazing areas with just a few taps on their phone, reduce costs, and improve pasture management, all while keeping their animals safe. It's not just high-tech, it's the future of farming. If you love mind-blowing facts like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.